On a Monday, we would run 32 reports. It took us 2.5 hours just to get to one version of the truth. Now, come a Monday, it takes us less than 10 minutes. Previous to having board, merchandising was done all in Excel or on a legacy system. Legacy systems, as everyone's probably very aware, come with some very big downsides. They can be very cumbersome and very clunky. Board is very seamless. It works like Excel in a lot of ways, but it's just a lot slicker. It's online, so you can access from anywhere. You haven't got to worry about losing any files at any point in time. It's really important for us that our finance team and our merchandising team are aligned. Without that, it's very difficult to be cohesive. It's very difficult to plan well and then execute those plans. Board allows us to do that. Board allows us to start from a high-level plan, working all the way down to that lower-level plan that we work on a day-to-day basis. Having the reporting suite to back that up allows us to look back and understand if our plans were achieved, if they were tangible, and if they were a success that we can use and continue forward. The way that our reports are built is very user-friendly. A lot of the feedback we get from the team on board is very positive. They really enjoy the way the interface works, they enjoy the interaction they have with it, and they enjoy the fact that they can get to any point of information they would like to within minutes or seconds. It's so user-friendly compared to Excel and legacy systems that we all wonder why we didn't have it earlier. It's truly a great program. It will change your business.